What is the Autopilot on Gemstone Lights App Hub 2? Let's go ahead, open up the app, and find out. When you open up your app, you may not see device groups. This is just because we have multiple controllers grouped together. You may see just devices. In this case, it says showroom. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And here you see the normal main screen you're used to. At the bottom, it says home, downloads, schedule, learn, and more. I'm going to click schedule. As you can see here, we have a couple timers set up. And then also up top it says Autopilot. To enable Autopilot, select at least one calendar and one device. So I'm going to click on Go to Autopilot. What Autopilot does is automatically change your timers for certain days without you having to turn off your normal timers. So in the upper right hand corner, there's a little cog. I'm going to go ahead and click it. Now you can choose if you want animated patterns or not. In my case, I want animated and I want motionless. Autopilot schedule, I want it on at sunset and off at 23:59. You can change that to sunrise. Okay? You can choose whatever time you want these to come on, obviously. And then down here it says calendars, general, NHL, NFL, NBA, MLB, and CFL. I am just going to stay on general right now. So basically what this does is it picks events that you choose. So for us, right, I'm going to choose USA, which is American holidays and events. I want Easter. Fun is lighthearted events like Star Wars days and Popcorn Day. So sure, why not? Christmas is festive patterns like 25 days of Christmas. So it'll change every day from December 1st through 25th. I'm going to go ahead and click that. Hanukkah, that's December 5th to January 2nd. That's may interfere, so I'm going to leave that one off. You got Hindu festivals and special events like New Year's, Mardi Gras. I'm going to click that as well. Select devices down here. Make sure your controller is selected. So mine is showroom. I'm going to go ahead and click save. And now you can see it's pre-built all these things. So October 13th, Columbus Day will come on. Halloween, day 1 through day 7 will come on. And then these will just keep populating. So automatically on October 25th, Batty will be my new timer rather than whatever timer I have set. So like right now, I have 1 on, 2 off on sunset to 2300. But on October 25th, it's going to turn to Halloween day 1 setting. And then when these are done, so in this case, it'll be November 1st, Halloween's over, it'll go back to your normal timer that is set.